Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple trick, how to flip an image in PowerPoint. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want to add your image. Imagine you've got a nice portrait or any picture in mind, perfect for your presentation. Now, head over to the Insert tab, click on Pictures, and choose this device. Find your image, click Insert, and boom! It's on your slide. You can move it around and arrange it just the way you want. Here's where the magic happens. Select your image, and up at the top, you'll see the Picture Format tab. Click on it and find the Rotate option. You can flip the image horizontally, or if you prefer, you can rotate it counterclockwise. It's totally up to you. If you have another image to flip, just repeat the same process. You can flip it either horizontally or vertically, whichever fits your design. The great thing is that this method works not just for images, but for shapes too. Simply select your shape, go to the Rotate option, and choose Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. It's that simple. And if you want to flip some text, guess what? The same process applies. Just select the text, choose your Flip or Rotate option, and you're good to go. So there you have it, flipping images, shapes, and text in PowerPoint is a breeze. It's a fun way to make your slide stand out. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.